You can prevent many future toilet clogs by changing both what you flush and how you flush right now. Start by flushing only human waste and toilet paper, and use noticeably less toilet paper each time by tearing off smaller sections and folding rather than wodging. Replace any high-flow or old toilet that repeatedly clogs with a modern low-flow bowl designed to move waste in a single flush. And if replacement is not possible, adjust flushing technique by waiting a few seconds after the first flush, then pressing again for large deposits to avoid partial exits that catch. Avoid flushing anything labeled non-flushable, including wipes even when packaging says flushable, because they do not disintegrate quickly and create blockages farther down the line. Train children by showing them exact paper amounts and by supervising younger kids until they reliably use the toilet properly, and make a simple chart or sticker reward system to reinforce the habit. Keep a small toilet brush and enzyme cleaner on a routine schedule of cleaning once or twice a week to break down buildup on the trap and bowl that can catch debris, and use a plumber-approved enzyme product monthly to help dissolve organic residue without harming plumbing. If you have a septic system, use septic-safe products and reduce paper use further to protect bacteria balance and prevent root or grease buildup that contributes to clogs. People often flush wipes or feminine products because they believe packaging claims or convenience, and the quick fix is to create a visible small trash can with a lid beside every bathroom and label it to remove uncertainty. Another common issue is assuming one heavy flush will solve everything, which can create partial blockages. Instead, use staged flushing for large loads and consider replacing older toilets that require repeated flushes. A third frequent mistake is neglecting routine cleaning and enzyme treatments, which allows slimy buildup to catch debris. Set a calendar reminder for weekly brushing and monthly enzyme application to prevent formation of an obstructive film. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and compare services related to plumbing and preventive maintenance. We connect contractors with work and host an active discussion community where we, our members, and pros exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world solutions.